Hola y bienvenidos a La Cocina con Mickey G. I decided since the first cooking video I made on the channel was for Spanish, I just keep the title. That's what we're doing. And today we are making un jamón y queso sandwich, which is ham and cheese. You're probably like, Micah, why are you telling me how to make a ham and cheese sandwich? Okay, I know how to make a ham and cheese sandwich. Well, you know, this isn't just a ham and cheese sandwich, okay? This is Mickey G's specialty ham and cheese sandwich, okay? So I want you to just chill out here. So here laid before you, I have all of the ingredients here. You know, we got some bread. You know, we got yourself pepper jack cheese. Not just like, you know, American or cheddar, provolone, no. Pepper jack cheese, what you need for this sandwich. We got some honey ham here, onions, lettuce, and I forgot to grab the mustard. Okay. So what you guys first start out with, you gotta grab your bread here, right? Grab your bread here, throw it on the plate. You know? And then what you do, you gotta, oh crap. You gotta open up the brand new package of the cheese here. And you take one piece for each slice of bread, okay? Slice number one, and then, slice number two, see? See, that's what we got. Alright, okay, so next we got ourselves the honey ham, and you put 2 pieces of honey ham per piece of bread. That goes on top of the pepper jack cheese, okay? Get some slices out here. I want to have them stay flat, you know? That way you get as much flavor as possible with each bite you take of this sandwich. Okay. And then what you do next here is you toast the pieces, right? You toast the pieces as they are right now. Before you put all this other stuff on there, put it in there. Boom. Then you gotta throw that on there like that. Okay, so you got the pieces there. You know, you gotta know, for how long do you do it for? Well, if I do my estimation here, it's about 5 minutes that you toast this bad boy for. Turn that over. You gotta, yeah. See what we have on ours. If I move this over here, it's one-man crew today. Oh, jeez. You got it. Oh, geez. See what it's saying? That's for how long you do it for. And while you're waiting for the, you know, your toasted stuff to get done toasting, you can, you know, pull out your phone. You got like 5 minutes. Just, you know, go over to the, you know, the Mickey G Productions channel. I've heard it's pretty good, you know. And then you just gotta, you know, maybe watch a short, quick one. Also, another great idea is, you know, you can play some One Epic Night. You know, yeah, the great game, and there's gonna be a video about it at some point coming soon. I just gotta film it. See, you just gotta. Oh yeah. Oh dude, oh, just look at this greatest job. Oh, look at this. Oh, I died. Okay. Another good idea to do when you're waiting for it to ding is you can, you know, put the other stuff away. So I'm just gonna. Oh, it dinged. All right. So you take that. Oh, it's hot, and you gonna. Okay. Oh, that's not what I wanted to do. Oh, jeez. It's all good. It's all good. All good. Yeah. Oh, I touched the metal part. Oh, look at that. The next step here is you want to grab your mustard. You want to make sure it's all ready there. Squirt that bad boy on there. Oh, jeez. Nice.
Nice.
Just spread it on. Yeah. Just spread it all on there. Delicious. See? Looking pretty good. Looking pretty good. Next, you know, this part changes from time to time. Grab some lettuce. And, well, you can decide if you want lettuce on both slices or just one. I'm just going to go with one side today. So that's one side that has the lettuce on it there. And the other side is going to be for the onion. So we don't have any cut pieces, so if you don't have any cut pieces of onion, you just take one of the onion thingies and you just break it, you know. You can have it be as big or small pieces as you want, you know, as makes sense. I mean, crisp. You know, just throw those on there. You can have as much or little onions as you want. If you're not a big onion guy, don't worry about it, you know. It's all personal preference here. But if you want the real Mickey G experience, you know, you should have a pretty good amount of onions on there. I'm a big onion guy. Big onion guy. So, put that all on there. There's some fat chunks of onion. Fat chunks of onion. And you just gotta fold it up top of each other, you know. Just gotta, oh yeah. Oh, it's beauty. Oh, it's a beauty. Delicious. And there you go. That's the Mickey G Hamoni Queso Sandwich. Finished and all done for you. It's usually good with a side of, you know, ramen noodles or maybe a Klondike for dessert. You feel me? So that's all I got for you today. And hope you've enjoyed this experience. I wish the cinematography was better, but I didn't have anyone to help me today. So, this is what we're getting. Thanks for watching. Make sure to like, subscribe, share it with all your friends, you know. Almost to 100 subs. We're at 96 right now. So, that's pretty cool. That's all I got for you. Actually, wait, no, I gotta give a taste test here. Can't believe I forget it. Ow. Can't believe I forget something like that. Oh, jeez. No, it fell off. Just get back on there. Oh, it's difficult one-handed without a taste. Stop. So we're just gonna grab the lettuce outside, you know. So good. Absolutely amazing. I personally give it 6 out of 5 stars for just being an absolutely fantastic sandwich. Alright, that's all I got. Thanks for watching. Adios.